Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 Best Craft Carving Tool Reviews 2025.
Number 4.
This mini aluminum alloy DIY jaw bench clamp is perfect for precision tasks. Ideal for drill press setups, micro clamping, or small power tool projects, it offers a secure grip on tables or workbenches. Lightweight yet durable, it's a versatile accessory for hobbyists and professionals alike.
Number 3.
Specification, material, ABS plastic. Dimensions, 105 by 61 by 16 mm per 4.1 by 2.4 by 0.6 inches. Clamping range, 5-53 mm/0.2-2.1 in. Colors, black, orange, yellow, white, red.
Number 2.
This new cabinet door mounting jig is a must-have woodworking tool for precise cabinet installation. Designed with durable stainless steel, it securely clamps cabinet frames and supports hidden door mounting. Ideal for DIYers and professionals, it ensures accurate alignment and easy door mounting every time.
Number 1.
Features, * The main shaft is made of hot-rolled steel, the fur is galvanized, anti-corrosion, the handle is made of rubber comfortable to hold. * For quickly holding down sheet metal or circuit boards, for machine, welding, electronic equipment assembly, etc. Field. * During clamping, the lever is controlled to prevent unfunctioning due to side thrust.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.